Hey guys, it's Devo Blue here. As you can probably see, I have my Switch here right now. The reason being is that my current Switch doesn't work, so I'm going to be taking it to the shop, getting a new one, because we have warranty on it. So hopefully all goes well and I get a new one. That's pretty much it, and I'll see you when we're there. Okay guys, so right now we're at the store. Okay, so if they refuse the warranty, I saw that you flashed that. Okay, so if they say no to the warranty, idiots, if they say no to that we can't replace it, Rowan's gonna start crying. And yeah, hopefully they do. So yeah, Rowan's playing Minecraft right now, but hopefully all goes well. Will we be able to like film in the store? Not like in this space, but just like, okay, so. Alright guys, so we just come back from the shop, JB Hi-Fi, and we just got the Nintendo Switch. It's right here with a few other accessories. Wait, Rowan. So basically, I just have like a few things to say. I wish they could have done it faster, because we were in like the store for about an hour and a half. Then they gave me this, on accident, they gave me the Switch I already have, at the broken one. So we had to go like back. We literally came out the store, and then Dad was like, "Oh yeah, I recognise the box," and yeah. So finally we got this. I had $50 to spend as well, because ever since the Switch got bought, the price went down. So I bought a few other accessories. I'll show you them in the house when we get to the house, but for now that's all guys, so yeah.
And guys, Dylan just bought me a Spider-Man game, and then like, it's actually a 4-player game, but we're gonna turn it into like a 3-player game. Like mine's gonna be Spider-Gwen and
MJ.
No, there's no MJ in the game.
Yeah, okay.
So, and mine's gonna be Spider-Gwen, and Dylan's gonna be Captain America, but it's not the real Captain America. It's a different one. But
yeah, okay.
Captain America.
Daddy, yeah,
So
we'll see you when we get back.
Okay.
Okay guys, so right now I'm at home with the Switch and the extra accessories. I'm sorry if I'm making you bored, because you guys have probably seen me unboxing Switch already. If you want to see that, I'll leave the link in the description to my other video. It's my birthday video. But anyway, let's get started. So as you can see, it's just the normal box, normal Switch box. You open the flap up, take this bit off, the set it up plug-in thing, and yeah. Okay, so first we'll go on to Rora. Do you want to open the Joy-Con?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so Rowan's going to show you. Tip it out. Just tip it out the packet.
Yes, I know how.
Yeah. So we're greeted with the normal left-handed blue neon Joy-Con. So one there. This one. Whoops. This right Joy-Con. Yeah. The Switch here. Do you want to open it, Mara? Do you want to get it? Okay. So the Switch here, the actual Switch tablet itself. So, yep, nice and shiny. I have a screen protector in that bag, so I'm not going to touch the screen yet. I'm going to do it after I open up all my accessories. But for now, I'll just pop on the nice clicking sound. Okay, so when you lift this up, you're greeted also with this controller. Do you want to open this?
Yeah.
Okay, don't break the stuff. Just tip it out, just in case we want to sell it. Okay, now show it to the camera.
And guys, this is a control, and you can also put it on to if you want to play it a different way.
Yeah, you can, can't you? So you just slide the Joy-Cons onto there. The next thing is these Joy-Con wrist straps. You use this when you say you're playing onto Switch or something. You use them when you're playing a game like that, like a game that requires motion controls.
Yeah.
And it's just the wires and AC adapters right here.
Yeah.
So yeah. Okay guys, so now we have the Nintendo Switch dock. The docking top. Whoops. This is the one I forgot to open on camera last time. It was a bit stupid. But this is the docking charger. This is so you basically you slide your Switch into here. I'm sure you guys all know the gimmick. And yeah, it should appear on the TV. Right now it's not plugged in, so that won't work. But yeah, that's basically the Switch, guys. And now let's look around in our accessories box. And Rowan is going to show you his game.
Yes, so guys, and I talk about what Maya's going to, what Dylan was going to, what I was going to be. So I was going to be that guy, and Maya was going to be that guy, and Dylan was going to be that guy. But he looks like he can't kill, but he actually can. He kills with his like the shield, like that.
Yeah, so that's Marvel Superheroes 2. I also got with my warranty extra money. So also these are the neon gel grips. They come with the thumbstick holders. Yeah, so let's just put them on now. Okay, figure out how to open this box.
Figure out like to cut the box.
So guys, let's open them up. I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that. But they look pretty nice. So they're essentially just rubber. I'll try and put them on the Joy-Cons now.
They go on the Joy-Cons. Actually, they just go on the Joy-Cons.
Yeah, so it's just, oh whoops. So you just slip them on like this, line the trigger up. The red one looks a bit stupid in the actual thing, but I'm sure the blue one will look nice. So that's this one.
Some people say it's expensive because they don't have enough money to buy it. But if they've got enough money to buy it, they don't say it's expensive. Like, yeah, somebody do that. She's a bit stupid.
Yeah, he doesn't know what he's talking about.
The blue one.
Anyway, but yeah. Huh? What? Huh?
We haven't seen the blue one.
You want them on here?
We haven't seen the blue one.
You haven't seen the... Right, okay, yeah. It's just normal. It's just normal color of the Joy-Cons. Finally, we have the Nintendo Switch screen protector right here. This is a glass one. Guys, someone told me this. Loads of people have been saying this. Never get the Nintendo branded one. Get these ones, the unofficial ones. Make sure you get glass ones, not the plastic foil ones. The glass ones tend to protect the screen better, so I recommend this one. But I'm probably gonna put it on, set my Switch up again, and yeah, this will be my Friday upload, guys, because my new schedule: Tuesday, is Thursday and Friday. So this is my first Friday video. And yeah, basically I'll see you when we've got it all set up and things.
Yes.
So yeah, bye guys. I'll see you in another video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Also subscribe to Rowan's channel. Well. Shouldn't they? They subscribe to you, right?
And subscribe to my channels, because my channels might be a bit stupid, but they not actually are, but it might be. You might say it's a bit stupid.
Yeah, okay, so subscribe to Rowan's channel, Roro's World. Make sure you smash the notification bell, just so you can get notified when I upload, so you don't miss a video from me. Anyway, guys, I'll see you on Tuesday, so that's all.